Pasadena homeowners appreciate beautiful neighborhoods, landscaped yards, and bright Texas skies. Whether your home overlooks mature trees, a carefully maintained garden, or a peaceful residential street, your windows play a major role in how much of that view you truly enjoy. If you want to maximize natural scenery while brightening your interior, picture windows are an ideal solution. Designed with expansive glass and minimal framing, picture windows create stunning visual impact while delivering energy efficiency and long-term durability, a perfect fit for Pasadena homes. Expansive, unobstructed views. Unlike double-hung or sliding windows, picture windows are fixed in place and do not open. This design eliminates center rails and excess hardware, allowing for a large, uninterrupted pane of glass. The result is a clear, panoramic view of the outdoors. In Pasadena, where sunny days are common, picture windows allow you to fully enjoy outdoor beauty from inside your home. Whether you're relaxing in the living room or entertaining guests, these windows frame your surroundings like a piece of artwork. Bringing in abundant natural light transforms the feel of a room. Picture windows are specifically designed to maximize sunlight, making interiors feel larger, brighter, and more inviting. In Pasadena's warm climate, this added light can make living areas feel more open, reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day, enhance the color and vibrancy of interior decor. Large panes of glass create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces, making your home feel more spacious. Energy efficiency without sacrificing views. One common concern with large windows is energy performance. Modern picture windows address this with advanced technology designed for hot climates like Pasadena. Features often include double or triple pane insulated glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas between panes, insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames. Low E coatings help reflect solar heat, reducing heat gain during hot Pasadena summers. Because picture windows are fixed and don't open, they also form one of the tightest seals available, minimizing air leakage. You can enjoy expansive views without compromising indoor comfort. Ideal placement for maximum impact. Picture windows are especially effective in living rooms, dining rooms, master bedrooms, stairwells with high ceilings. They can serve as a dramatic focal point or be combined with operable windows such as casement or awning styles to allow ventilation alongside the fixed view. This flexibility allows homeowners to design a layout that balances scenery, airflow, and efficiency. Enhancing curb appeal. From the outside, picture windows add architectural interest. Their clean lines and broad glass surfaces create a sleek, modern appearance while still complementing traditional Pasadena homes. Larger window openings can make a facade feel more balanced and visually appealing, boosting curb appeal and overall property value. Reduced maintenance and long-term durability. With no moving parts, picture windows typically require less maintenance than operable styles. Fewer mechanical components mean fewer issues over time. High-quality materials resist warping and fading under Pasadena's strong sun exposure, helping your windows maintain their performance and appearance for years. Connecting your home to the outdoors. One of the greatest benefits of picture windows is how they strengthen your connection to the outdoors. Watching sunsets, enjoying greenery, or simply letting in natural light becomes part of your everyday living experience. In Pasadena, where bright skies and outdoor living are part of the lifestyle, picture windows help bring that beauty inside. A smart upgrade for Pasadena homes. Picture windows combine stunning views, natural light, and energy efficiency in one elegant design. For Pasadena homeowners who want to enhance their living spaces while improving comfort and curb appeal, they offer a practical and beautiful solution. By installing picture windows in the right spaces, you can transform ordinary rooms into light-filled showcases that highlight everything you love about your surroundings, all while maintaining performance suited to Pasadena's climate.